G'day guys, welcome to Budget Off-Road Touring. With Christmas coming up, we thought we'd give you 10 Christmas present ideas that'll help your camp set up under $100. Because as you know, at Budget Off-Road Touring, we want to make camping and four-wheel driving as affordable as possible for everyone. So keeping it on a budget is what we're after. So first up on our list today is a Butane Fry Pan. So these bad boys run off little butane gas bottles, which you can get for about $5 for a 3-pack from Kmart or your local camping stores. So these guys are brilliant because they're easy to cook off. They can cook anything on these bad boys, from steaks to pasta sauces, bacon and eggs, whatever you want. Because they're really easy. Not only do they have the lid to keep all your juices in, they come with a nice non-stick pan. And yeah, so these guys are about $99 from Super Cheap Auto or BCF, Anaconda, those sort of places. And this has made a hell of a difference to our camping setup and camp cooking. Second on our list is a little single burner butane cooker. It's the same idea, run off the same canisters, absolutely brilliant, easy to cook off. If you've got a little fry pan, you can cook your meat on here. We often use this now to boil our water, so boil the kettle for coffee. They're super easy to use, super practical, and you get these guys for about $20–30 from Kmart or any camping store. So running with the cooking theme, next up on our list is a set of hiker's pots and a kettle. So these guys are brilliant because they collapse within each other. So this set comes with a larger pot, a smaller pot and a 1 litre kettle. The beauty of hiking gear is that all collapses in small. As you know, campers, we often take a lot more than we need, so we're struggling for room. So any space saver that we can get is absolutely brilliant. Number 4 on our list today is a picnic bag or picnic set. So this little kit comes with enough gear for 4 people, but we've added to it to have plenty of spares when we've got friends coming along, or when we want to be too lazy to clean up after dinner. We've got plenty of stuff ready for breakfast. So these little kits, come with plates, forks, those sort of things that you need, a few plastic cups, but then we keep in the back here coffee cups, chopping boards, a few knives. They're absolutely brilliant bit of gear just to keep with you. They're easy whether or not you're going camping for the weekend, away on a day trip, or going bushwalking for goodness sake. Don't know who does that. Anyway, so these guys are about $30–40. Brilliant bit of kit, easy Christmas present idea. So number 5 on our list today is an esky or a cooler box. We all know what a cooler box does, keeps your drinks nice and cold. These are brilliant for a weekend away, keep your food and enough beers cold. We even still take this away with us, especially on our recent Outback New South Wales adventure trip, which you can read about on our blog. We took this away with us as well as the fridge, so we left all the food in the fridge and then just kept enough cold beers in here because, well, never have too many cold beers. So these guys, this exact one is about $99 to 22 litre, but yeah, there's plenty out there on the market. You can get them from really anywhere. So number 6 on our list today is a little LED strip light. So these bad boys is a 4-metre LED white strip light, which comes with a dimmable switch. So this is absolutely brilliant, gives you a bit of light around camp and runs off a cigarette plug. So even if you don't have a 12-volt system, you can plug it into that little 12-volt outlet in the back of your car and just leave your accessories on and you should be right. Just probably best to turn the car off each night before you go to bed so you don't wake up with a flat battery. So we've had this for about 4 years now, part of our setup. And a light like this is about $40. White light's great for setting off a nice bright light. You can even get out some orange LEDs, which are probably around the $80 mark. Same sort of idea, and then the orange will just keep the mozzies away. So number 7 on our list for Christmas present ideas under $100 is a little collapsible fire pit just like this one. So this is absolutely brilliant when there's 1 or 2 people out on a trip, because it sets off a small little bit of flame, enough heat just for the 2 of you to sit around. Perfect if you've got one of those barbecue hot plate trays to cook your snags and steaks on. Reason why you'd have a portable fire pit like this is a lot of campsites don't allow you to have an open fire on the ground. So a little one like this collapses so it's nice and small, doesn't take up too much space, yet you can still get the nice atmosphere of a campfire when out in the bush. So number 8 on our list today is a cast iron camp oven. So these guys come in an array of different sizes and shapes. So you can have a conventional one, you can get some of the ones with legs. You can use these to cook anything from slow cooked roasts to casseroles, bits of damper. The downside is you've got to use these in winter because you need hot coals to cook them over. So these guys set you back anywhere between $50 to $120. You can depends on the size and shape that you're after. But a little one like this, I think was about $50–60 from Aldi a couple of years ago. So number 9 on the list today, keeping with the fire theme, is a quality axe. Now these obviously absolutely brilliant for cutting up timber. If you've got a little fire pit like this one, you need to cut your timber down to fit. You can also use them for track clearing, if there's fallen trees in your way. Obviously it's going to be the slowest way to do it, but it's better than nothing. There are also other uses. If you forget your hammer, you can use this to hit your pegs in. So an axe is really handy to have around camp. So a quality axe like this one, this is a 2 kilo one, will set you back about 80-90 bucks. And you get that from any hardware or garden store. Last bit of camping gear on our Christmas list suggestion, a little powered drill. Now a lot of you would be wondering, how is this related to camping? Well, we use it every time we take out the camper trailer for the stabilising legs. This thing just makes life easier, so you don't have to hand unwind. It's just a simple boom, and there you go, your legs are up and down. You can also use it around any little DIYs, repairs that you need to do in camp. So a drill like this one will set you back about 50-60 bucks. But yeah, there's plenty out there, so any local hardware store you'll be able to get a drill from. That brings us to the end of the first budget off-road touring YouTube video. If you guys liked it, well, hopefully there'll be a few more along the way. Press that like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave us a comment down below. So hopefully you got a few Christmas present ideas, sticking to that budget as we all need to try and do. So until next time, don't forget to enjoy yourself out in the bush.